I just saw that this camera has been on for like days. I'm just coming on really quickly because I was trying to edit this video and I'm like, I need some sort of intro. Honestly, this video is more like, for me, it's a selfish video of just clips that I got when my mom was here, but like I didn't really talk much, and obviously I didn't really vlog like with her talking or anything, so lots of updates though. I got my Orange Theory certification. I got my nutrition certification. I just took the exams today. I have a real estate agent coming to look at the house now. So I will update you like on everything in the next vlog, but this vlog is going to be just clips from when my mom was here. And yeah, it was definitely not what I planned. We didn't get to go to Miami. The weather was terrible. It was crazy rain. We got stuck in West Palm and it was like torrential downpours, but we made the most of it. So yeah, hope you enjoy it. I will put little like text captions of like what the different things are, but yeah, hope you enjoy, and then I will catch up with you guys like on everything in the next vlog. So it is Saturday. My mom got here. She was here Thursday. You saw them with the last vlog. And then Friday so of course, like we can't choose. We can't choose the week. You know, the weather's gonna change all the time. So Thursday was actually a nice day, and I wish she had gotten here Thursday. She got here at night. So Friday, it was like kind of okay, a little cloudy. We're gonna hope the rain was just gonna be an afternoon shower. So we went to the beach in the morning. It was great. It was nice and warm. There's a slight breeze, and then it started getting a little cloudy and a few raindrops. So we ended up going home, cleaning up, having dinner and stuff, and relaxing for a bit. And I'm like, why don't we go up to West Palm? I've never been up there like at night, and just because I've been there during the day and I've been let down. So we drove up there, and we thought the rain would hold off because it got sunny. And then as we were walking, like basically we parked, and then we started walking down to like where the yachts are, the riverfront. And then we started feeling drops of rain, and slowly it got progressively worse. We saw this big gray cloud. And then as we turned up one of the main streets, literally it was like hurricane rain was coming. It was pounding down. The wind was whipping it like every which way. It was so heavy. I can't believe it. So we had to like run under some like awning, and then we got into like this weird like alleyway that had like a covering, and everyone was either just like trying to hide from the rain because no one was really prepared for it, and then, you know, the people in the restaurants were like okay, the roads were flooded, and we were like, what are we gonna do? So basically it ruined the entire day. We were soaked, and then eventually it let up a little bit, so we ran to like further down the street, but then we had to stop again, and we had to hide, and then we ran across the street, and then we ran up to the Subculture down in West Palm, which I had been to the Subculture in Boca, so it's a coffee shop, whatever. So we were freezing at that point. You know, the rain, my hair was curly, like, so I had to take 2 showers yesterday. My hair is so dry now. And we got coffee. I got like hot peppermint tea, and I got like a latte, and then we just sat there for a little bit, and I was really upset, of course, because last time she came it was rainy too. And then we went back, and then it was just like, that's it, like I'm done. So today is Saturday, and the Coco Market Wellness Festival that usually is the first Sunday of every month down at the Veterans Park in Delray, they're having a new one. I believe it's gonna be monthly again in Boca at the Brick Center, and we're gonna go down there. It started at 9, it's a little bit after 9 now. I think we'll go down like around 10, and hopefully the rain holds out. I see rain, they show rain every hour, 50% chance, and now it's like certain hours. Like, I don't know what to expect, and I am just so upset. This April month has been so bad for rain, so bad. So Monday is May 1st, so hopefully, you know. But then from there, we might go to Gumbo Limbo and see the turtles, the turtle rehabilitation, and then maybe another park. Because I'm hoping today is like a good temperature to be out and about if it doesn't rain. If it does rain, we can go to like the Boca Town Center and walk around the mall or something. I don't know, but I am very disappointed. Then maybe Sunday we'll go to Miami. So I'm gonna bring you along, actually, the actual camera, because I've been trying to get clips on my phone, but like, I like that more vertical footage. So I'm gonna bring this actual camera and try to get clips of us at the festival.